turn the Wii on. They shouldn't be in this video. We'll see how long that lasts. Okay, so vertical versus adjacent. So vertical, like a V, and they're across from each other. It's like, bish. Now adjacent is like an A, right? So adjacent's like they're right next to each other. So adjacent means you're adding an angle. Vertical means they're across. So the house adjacent to me is right next door. The house vertical to me is across the street. Maybe it helps, maybe it doesn't. So this is on your assignment for vertical and adjacent angles activity. This is slide 2, where you have to match up what these are to their definition and then the equation. So this right here, are the angles across from each other, or are they right next to each other? In this case, they're right next to each other. They're also supplementary because they make a straight line. So these are what we would call adjacent, supplementary. Now, you remember from last time that a supplementary angle means it adds up to 180 degrees. So the equation would look like 150 plus 2x minus 20 equals 180 for number 1. For number 2, are they across from each other, like across the street? I cannot get my, there we go. Nope, they're not. They're right next to each other, which means they are adding an angle, which means it is adjacent. So an adjacent angle, just as this plus this, adds up to that. So 4x plus 32 equals 140. And it is an adjacent angle. Now you can draw lines to multiple things. So we use adjacent up here because they're right next to each other, and we use adjacent down here. Just as long as it goes this to adjacent and supplementary, and those both go to this answer right here, that's okay. So it's 150. Oh my gosh. Okay. The last one, are these adjacent or vertical? So are they right next to each other like all the other ones have been? No, they're not right next to each other. They're across the street from each other, which means they are vertical. I did not see that. And vertical angles are exactly the same size. If I were to fold the paper in half, they would line up right on top of each other. So that means this equals this. So 10x plus 21 equals 121. Okay? Right. So, again, if you have any questions, let us know. But that is your assignment for adjacent and vertical angles. If you have questions, please email us.